And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. So Dairy Queen just dropped a cotton candy blizzard, and I will be trying it and ranking it just to see how exactly it is sitting. So Dairy Queen, if you have no idea what it is, it's like a place that sells burger and blizzard, not frosty or ice cream or milkshake. So theirs is more like hard. Don't roast me. So theirs is not like frosty is more like somewhat similar to a milkshake, but it's not a milkshake. And ice cream is somewhat different. So Dairy Queen sells blizzard. That it's like, if you know what I mean. So they say if they make it and they turn it upside down like this and it falls out, you get another one free. So this is how you know that it's not ice cream, because it's like this. So I feel like I probably have to try their most popular one, but that's for another video. So they just dropped this cotton candy blizzard. I'm not say a huge fan of blizzards, but it's dessert, so of course I will try. So I went there, I think yesterday, and tried their new burger that they just dropped. I think it's called Backyard Bacon Ranch something. I forgot what it's called. So I went there yesterday, and then I saw this. But I tried the burger. I saw the burger first. No, I saw the burger advertised on Facebook, yeah. And then when I went down there, I saw this on the billboard, advertising on the billboard, but I didn't see it online. So I went there today. I know I got it, and I will be trying it and ranking it just to see how it's sitting. Cotton candy blizzard. So if you like cotton candy, imagine it in a dessert form. Looks so good, man. Looks so good. But this is not their most popular one, and I don't know if this is like a limit edition. I didn't see limited edition. It just said new. So I will be trying it just to see how exactly it is sitting. See? Even look at this. That's how you know it's not frosty. If it's frosty, I did Wendy's frosty, and that's more similar. It's more watery. But this, yeah, this is more hard. Don't roast me. Guys are probably he said hard. Don't roast me. So this is how you know. So here we go. Let's see just how this is doing. And sooner or later, I'm gonna try their most popular one. And I think out of their most popular one, I think is M&M's or Oreo. I probably have to double check. I'll see whatever Google say, and then I'll get whatever Google say. So here we go. Mm. And this was actually large too. This looks started to look like a medium, but they say this is large. Mm. Okay, Dairy Queen. Okay. And it's sort of spring. So I'm guessing, like I've said, it's spring, so everywhere is coming out with new product. I guess that's why they came out with it. And I can literally taste the cotton candy, like the red one and the blue one. I wonder how they make this. They probably have a machine for it and put like the mix inside it, and then pour it down in a cup and like mix it. Well, I can taste the cotton candy. It's like eating cotton candy in a different form. Okay. Yo, this summer it's gonna be hot everywhere because I feel like they've been coming out with new stuff, but I lost a lot of time last year, as I've said. So now they're coming out with new stuff. Now I'm spot on everything. For this, I will give this. Wait, one more. I know I said one more, but for this, I will give this a solid 8 out of 10. It's cotton candy blizzard, and as I said, I can taste the cotton candies. And if you look like really closely, I'll probably put it on the thumbnail. If you look really closely, you can see the red and blue. I would love to see how they make this. They probably make it like milkshake or frosty. They probably have the machine for it, but solid 8 out of 10. So if you're a person that you like Blizzard, like Blizzard is somewhat different. So you got ice cream, you got milkshake, you got frosty, and then you got blizzards that I'm aware of. So different types of stuff. Like as I said, this one is more hard, as you can see. So it's in the cup, but it won't fall out. Milkshake, frosty, and ice cream can't do that. But it was actually delicious. 8 out of 10. As I said, I can taste the cotton candy inside the blizzard. So if you haven't tried it before, I would recommend you go get it. It's sweet and it's nice. It's really nice. I would recommend you go get it. I'm not going to try to finish this because I'm going to eat this on my own time. So yeah, I'm going to eat this on my own time. So if you haven't had it before, I recommend you go get it. I don't know if it's limited edition. I didn't check. I just saw new and then I grab it. But if you like blizzards, you should check it out. Trust me, it's really, really, really delicious. And if you like cotton candy, like kids will literally like this because kids always like cotton candy. So and they like ice cream. So imagine a mixture of both. So kids will literally enjoy this. 8 out of 10, hands down. I can't wait to see what their most popular one tastes like. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Your boy will be back trying and doing a bunch of other stuff. Remember, this summer, everybody, well, I think they've been coming out with it, but I wasn't trying them. But now, I will be trying majority of the stuff that I could try from different places because I like trying different things from different places because everybody make their stuffs different. So I will be doing that as soon as it's new. I get it, make a video, do a review, rank it, and then that's it. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Your boy will be back trying and doing a bunch of stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.